Hello, good afternoon everyone. So today we are going to learn what is object, what types of object, what is field and what types of fields in the Salesforce. So in the Salesforce, objects are nothing, it's just a data table that will allow us to store data specifically from any organization of any organization. It can be two types, standard object and custom object. Standard objects are those objects that are previously defined by the Salesforce, and custom objects are the object which we create. So first we create object, that all object we create is called custom object. So for example, this table is an object. You can see the table. This is the table of a student that contain the value of student ID, title, last name, first name, other name, gender, DOB and POB. It contains the data, and if you can see all column that you can see student ID, title, these are called field, and the whole table is called object. We can create as much as field also. You can give father's name, mother's name also. That is called field. Means in the Salesforce, table are the object and the column is an field, and the values that you can see is called record. Means rows are called record. Salesforce has three things: object, field and record. The table you can see is called object, the column you can see is called field, and the row you can see is called record. So fields, as I already described, fields are nothing, it's just a column that represented by the database. It can contain any data type of data. Data type can be anything like for storing an integer value, you need to int data type. For storing a particular string, you need a string data type. If you want to store a Gmail address, you need to email type data type. If you want to add store a particular list, then you have to choose list. Means that type of value you want to store, you have to choose same type of data type. Data type are nothing, it's just a type. It just define what type of data you are going to store. Thank you. So now we will practice live, or we will hands-on experience with Salesforce or with our Salesforce developer org. Now you have to log in with your Salesforce developer org, and after login you can see the developer org. First you need to understand what is this. If you can see this home, opportunity, lead, task, while these are all tabs which created on an object. We have object, dashboard, campaign, content, account, file, task. These are object also, but we have created a tab for this. So if you want to create, and these are also standard object. Means we have account, that is standard object. You can see this is the UI also. So if you open like account, you can see we have record. You can go view all. These are all record, account record, and the account record contain field. Means if you click on detail, you will able to see all the detail. Means account owner, account name, parent account, account number, type, industry, rating, font. These are all fields. You can create your own account. If you want to create new record, then you need to click on new, and you can create new account record. But here you can provide only that value that is provided, that only that field value that is provided by the Salesforce. If you want to create your own field like account parent, and you need to create an custom field here. So you can create custom field also, you can create custom object also. So for this creating custom field or custom object, you need to go to that gear icon, you need to click on this. After clicking, you need to click on setup. After clicking on setup, you need to find object manager. You can find here, or or you can directly click on here. After clicking object manager, so here these are all standard object. Here you can see these all are standard object which is previously defined by the Salesforce. You can create your own object. So I will go to create and click on custom object, because as I already say, the object we create is called custom object. Now you have to give the name. So I will give the my custom name is school. This is ruler schools. This is the object name. This is just a label. It must be a unique, so it automatically filled by the label. This is the record name. That record it will directly come. School name must field. Record name saved by this. Data type is in text. These all things you will understand when you will work on Salesforce. Now you have to click on save. Once you click on save, the object school is created. Now you have to create fields for that object. For creating field, you need to go field and relationship. After clicking field and relationship, these are standard field that is already created. Once you create an object, it is created by the Salesforce. Here you can see school name, that is I was just showing. So you can create your own field like a school address. For creating, you need to click on new. After clicking on new, you need to choose your data type. As you know, address must be a text, so you can choose your data type as a text. After choosing text, you need to click on next, and you need to give the name of the text or the field name. I will give you school address. If you want to give the description, you can. If you want to help text is nothing, it's just a help text. So if you after that you have to click on next. Oh, sorry, here I have to give the length. You can provide the length of that. You can, like I just providing length 50, you can provide. After providing the length, you have to click on next. Now you have to, these are all users. Salesforce provide many users. You can create your own users also. So if you want to show that field that user, then you can click on this. If you do not want to, then you can uncheck this. So I just leave it as it is. You can choose layout just a UI. You will understand all these things once you will use Salesforce. For the time, you can directly save it. So as you can see, I have created a school address. If you go to object manager again, here you can see school. School is our object. This is our API name. It must be a unique in Salesforce. And here you can see custom object. I have created a custom object. Once you will click on this, you will find detail section, API name, custom, school, ruler name. These are all fields. If you go to field, I have created 4 field already created, and you just created the school address. You can create it many field as you want. And if you want to go, if you go to same that, and for the showing on this place, you need to create a tab. If you want to show our school object here, you need to create a tab. For creating a tab, you need to click on home and find tab. So you have to you have to click on tab. After creating after this, you have to click on new section. Here you can see custom object tab. I have created a custom object, so I want to create a tab. I just need to click tab, new. Then you have to choose your object. I have created school object. and now you have to choose your tag style. You can choose anyone. I will choose car. Now you have to click on next. It is same if you want to. It's just a profiles of Salesforce provide many profiles. You just see your profile, manager profile, like that. Provide many profiles. So I will leave it as it is. So this is the custom apps. You can install custom apps also. So after that you need to click on save. Means the tab is already created. After that, if you'll go to this place and you will refresh it, you will find your school tab here. So here you can see this is our school tab. Once you will click on school, it will open you, and once you will click on all, it will show you all record, but we have not created any record for our school. So for creating, you need to click on new. So it will ask you school name. I will give you Shravan, and school address. I will give Janak. Janakpuri. So save. So one record of the school is created. So here you can see Shravan is created. You can give any information according to the field. But for need, we need to create field like a school place, school PIN code address. You can create school teacher number, school student number. You can give any field and you can create your own record according to the school. Thank you.